one champion now.
Wanted to get my hands on these for it. Okay, so let's go. Hey you guys, what's up? Tisha Monique back again with another fabulous review for you guys today. I'm so excited to be reviewing these amazing masterpiece shoes designed by Kanye West, and these are none other than the Yeezy foam runners in the colorway sand. You guys, I've been dying to cop these for so long, and I'm so excited to be filming this video for you guys today because I haven't worn these. I haven't even unboxed these yet because I've been waiting to film this video for you guys. So filming this video for you guys today is twofold. It means that not only can I share with you these amazing footwear, I can finally wear my Yeezy foam runners in the colorway sand. Wanting to get my hands on these forever. You guys know, this is a holy grail. This is one of the staples within the foam runner and the Yeezy family. It's just a must-have in any collection, and I've been wanting to get my hands on these for the longest, you guys, ever since just forever. Like, these are the foam runners that I've been wanting to cop for so long. So this video is going to be an unboxing. It's going to be a first impressions, and it's going to be on feet first time. And then also I want to make sure to share with you guys the sizing, because this is my third pair of foam runners. So by now I feel like I've got the sizing down. This is the original release on the foam runner sand, so just stay tuned. This is going to be a very helpful video for you guys if you're copying foam runners for the first time, wondering about the sizing, wondering about the true color of these babies, because before I got them I was trying to find Instagram videos, pictures and stuff to kind of show the true colorway. So this is going to give you a really great first impression, especially if you want to cop these, because they're perfect for the spring and the summer. So let's go. My name is Tisha Monique. I make amazing videos about high-end products, low-end products, anywhere in between. I also do fashion, beauty, and I'm obsessed with Yeezy. So you're definitely going to get all of Yeezy, ins and outs of Yeezy, and sharing my collection with you guys. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. First things first, I ordered these from Stockx, and they came in just a regular shipping box, and here we are. From Stockx. This is my maybe 1, 2, 3, I'm tripping, 5th time ordering from Stockx. Okay, and so it just comes in just a regular shipping box, and inside of the box is where you have these amazing beauties. And if you've watched any of my previous videos, if you haven't, you should. I'm going to link a video that's going to show you how to turn your regular box like this into flipping it to get it turned inside out so that you can see your information stored on the box. Because when you open it up, that's where you see it's the typical foam box, but I'll show you how to flip your box inside out for display purposes. But it's going to be in the traditional Yeezy conservative box that we love. It's a staple, it's a classic, and I got these in the size 8. So first of all, sizing wise, you need to size up on these, is my suggestion. These only come in whole sizes. They only come in men's sizes. So for me, I tend to get a US size 8 in men's, and it works just amazing for me. They are not a stretchy shoe, even though they're super soft, extremely comfortable. They're not going to give, if that's what you're thinking. So you don't want to go true to size and think that they're going to stretch out, because they're not. But it's very comfortable, but you want to make sure that you have a little room in there. That way, if you want to wear them just feet in on foot, or if you wanted to add a sock and pull that in terms of style factor for some of the cooler months or whatever, you can definitely do that and be comfortable in this by going at least a full size it though, because these don't come in half sizes. So An 8 is good. My 450s, I'm a 9, but all of my foam runners, I'm a size 8, and they're very comfortable. Also got the slides, which I'm gonna unbox for you guys in the next video. 2 Yeezys on ice, which are these, the foams, and then also my slides in the color Pure. So stay tuned for that. But in those, I got a 9 also, and they worked beautifully. But we are here for the Yeezy foam runners Colorway Sand. Now the thing about these is that they give a really white impression when I've seen them, just like the Cloud Whites in the 450. They gave me a really solid white impression from seeing videos on Instagram and YouTube. But you guys, they are not a white color. They're actually sand, just hence as the colorway in the name says, sand. They're giving sand. They're giving an off-white, just like this I Love Pablo shirt. I feel like Pablo's shirt is a little bit of a sand. The lighting is not gonna let me be great with this reference, but these are also giving a sand color. So enough of that, let's just get into the unboxing. These are amazing, you guys. I'm so excited about these. If you know, you know. These are amazing, and this is how they look. I'm gonna turn the lighting down in just a bit, but I just wanted to give you guys first impressions. These are from Stockx, like I said, so they've been authenticated. Ooh, so excited for these, guys. I've been waiting on these forever. I've been dreaming about these. These are, to me, the Air Rats are the original foam runners. This is the second pair released, and they are fantastic. Oh, they're beautiful. I love the Yeezys because they are just art pieces on your foot. It's like wearing a masterpiece, a framed piece of art on your feet. And like I said, this is a size 8 US men's. Let me turn the lighting down so you guys can get an idea of the true brilliance of these shoes. So please disregard the lighting for a minute, but this is strictly so you can see the color. And I'm going to insert, of course, on foot, but I wanted to just show you the coloring of these shoes. These foams are fantastic. I cannot wait to get these on foot. So I definitely want to remember to tell you guys is that when I first had these out of the box, and these are my third pair, is that they are really stiff. I noticed about the foam runners. They're very stiff when you first get them out of the box, but then as time goes on, they just tend to soften up. As far as the feel of the shoe, they are very stiff at first, so don't let that deter you or make you think that you have the wrong size. I'm not saying that they loosen up or that they grow or they stretch out to like a half size or anything like that. I'm just saying that the feel of them is pretty solid. They're pretty stiff. But I've noticed with mine that, as well as the 450s, that they do soften up a little bit over time. So just kind of, you know, not so much break them in, but just give them a chance, walk in them, move around in them, and then you'll see that they will kind of not mold to the foot, but they do give an extra level of comfort. If you own any foams, you know that these are so dynamic. They are so amazing in terms of the technology. This is the classic foam. And they are just really like hug your feet. Like once you wear these, it's like no other fit, no other shoe. It's hard to describe unless you've had a pair. I know people compare them to Crocs. I don't have Crocs. I have tried Crocs on. They're pretty soft, but to me they're very flat, and these actually feel like you're not walking on a cloud, but walking on a cloud. And they're very comfortable. Like they're next level in terms of the comfort, in terms of the look, the vibe. You're gonna, I mean, it's not for turning heads, but it's just, you cannot help but to notice people staring at these, asking you questions about these, because they're such a showstopper and they're so unique and different that people are attracted to these. So get ready just for the attention that they bring. But they are just a fantastic shoe. I just cannot rave about them enough. Anybody that, whenever I'm wearing them, they always stop me. They ask questions about the sizing. They've never seen them in person, because they are just like a standout type of shoe, and they really are a vibe. So that is enough on that. If you have questions, be sure to comment below, leave me questions. I love answering them because I'm so excited. I am an enthusiast when it comes to the whole Yeezy brand. I just ordered the dazzling blue 350s. That's what's up next. And then I'm going to unbox, because I have them down here, the Yeezy Slides in Pure. That's going to be my next video. And then the Dazzling Blues will follow. And I still have not shown a video about my Cloud Whites, so I need to do that in the 450s. So I've got those videos coming up for you guys, so definitely stay tuned. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. We're going to get into the on foot portion next, so let's go.
Just the #1 champion sound. Just the #1 champion sound. Just the #1 champion sound. Just the #1 champion sound.
Inside of the box is where you have
Just the #1 champion sound.